Okay, good morning. Today we are going to see the live demo of wind erosion. Why erosion caused by wind? We know that strong winds cause the topsoil to be blown away, particularly in areas where there is less vegetation. Less vegetation in the sense in which area the plants are nowhere, like here, like a desert. In those areas, wherever you can find the dry areas, in those areas or non-vegetation areas, even you cannot find a tree, single tree you cannot find, so that areas are called less vegetation areas. So the soil settles where the wind speed is slow. If the wind is blowing in an area, the wind will take all the soils wherever it goes. In which area the wind is so less, in that area soil will be settled. Next, the wind erosion is greatest in dry regions, particularly in deserts. As I told you, there is no vegetation in the desert areas like this. Here I have not kept any kind of plant to make you to understand that it is a desert area. So in this area we cannot find any vegetation. So in these areas we can find lot of wind erosion there, especially in desert regions. So I'm going to explain you how this wind involves in soil erosion. Here, consider this tray as a earth surface, and this I have taken some amount of soil kept here. I put some stones here. Consider these stones are like rocks, and it is full of grains, so that it will be moving from one place to another while the wind is blowing. So consider this as a desert area or somewhere place in which the soil is the dominant thing. So here, next I have taken a blower. From this I'm going to blow in such some air in this on this surface, so you can understand. Listen, I just trigger on this here. See, I have switched on this blower. Some hot air is flowing from this, and I just put like, see, see the amount of soil that settles in this surface. So when wind is blowing through this way, the soils are eroded, and wherever the wind is blowing in that way, these soils were go unsettled. So that is how wind erosion is being done. One more time I'm explaining you. I just setting the soil here, and I'm just triggering on this, and just set this in medium level so that the soil will be moving very slowly. Soils are here, can listen. You can see how this soil is eroded here. So this is how soil eroded will be took place. This, the particles which are vulnerable will be blowing, but the rocks and other things which is heavier in nature, which is huge in nature, that will be remaining in the same place, but the eroded particle of soil will be moving. see how the soil is eroded. See the amount of soil that eroded from here and just moving towards the place where the wind is flowing. So this is how wind involves in soil erosion. I hope this concept is clear. Thank you.